So if you run into this, put it so the empty slot is on the right, and the piece we want in the slot is on top of it, like so. And do this algorithm: R, U, 2, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime. And that will insert it. This is the last case, where we have an edge, corner, and we want to put it in its slot, but we can't do R, U, R prime, because it won't affect the corner. It'll just bring it down here, but not in the right way. So, how do we deal with this? We just do an opposite version of the RUR prime algorithm. So, have the cube so that the blue matches up, the second color matches up, and you have the white facing left. This algorithm is going to be short still, but slightly different. This algorithm is L prime, U prime, L. And that will insert the piece. Good job. You completely finished one side. That's something to be proud of. Not a lot of people can do that. And do it correctly with every piece lined up right. Next thing we're going to do is insert these 4 edges along the middle layer without disturbing this layer that we've already done. Okay, here we go. So, since we're inserting these pieces, we want to look along the top layer. This layer right here. For any pieces that match here. And that means those pieces will not have yellow. Can't stress it enough. Look for pieces that do not have yellow. This is a piece with yellow. This is a piece with yellow. Don't do this. You want to look for pieces that do not have yellow, like these two. Also, don't look in these 4 areas for pieces that don't have yellow. Or do have yellow for that matter, either. You shouldn't be looking at this layer at all, even though you're solving it right now. Yeah, weird, I know. But you shouldn't. People always look in this layer first, because that's where they're solving, but you don't want to. You want to look along the top layer. For a not yellow piece. I know I say it a lot. I said it a lot, but it's true. People do it. Anyway, so look along the top for a not yellow piece, an edge piece by the way, not yellow edge piece. Here's one. This one is green and orange. First color is orange, second color is green. So, want to match up the orange to the orange side, center, like it already is. But just turn the top layer in case you need to. Match it up. Then look at the top color, the second color on the edge piece. In this case is green. Now, on either the left or the right side is going to be the same color center as the second color. In this case is green, and that's on the left. If the same color center is on the left, we're going to do this algorithm. U prime, L prime, U prime, L, U, F, U, F prime. Remember, that's if the second color is on the left. Red and blue, match red to the red, and blue is on the left, so do the algorithm. U prime, L prime, U prime, L, U, F, U, F prime. You match it up, and the piece in the second color is on the right instead of the left. This algorithm is different, but it's just the opposite. So this algorithm is U, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, U prime, F. That will insert the piece. Wait, but what if the edge is backwards? Well, you have a bit of a problem. But it's easy to fix. So, do it real quick. Just imagine any of these yellow pieces are this edge, even though it's not. So, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U prime, F. And that will take the edge out and position it where it's supposed to go, and do the algorithm that best suits the case. In this case, it's the R version. Which will insert the piece. Okay, you're getting to the next step. That's good. So, you are 2/3 done with the entire cube. That is truly amazing. You yourself are cool. But you're not done yet. You're 2/3 done with the cube, but you're only halfway there. Doesn't make much sense, but you will understand when the tutorial is over. Next step is to try and get a yellow cross, like so, ignoring the corners. Next step is to get the yellow cross with all 4 edges, like this. But it does not matter if they match with their centers, so that's good.